I welcome all of you to the prize distribution ceremony of the 50 words in 15 minutes contest that we had done on YouTube. Now we'll be trying to find out who those 5 lucky winners are, because we have received overwhelming response. We have received in total 44 responses, out of which 41 have qualified the minimum 30% score criteria. Now we'll be doing, because of a huge number of students who have responded, we'll be doing a lucky draw of sorts. We are using wheelofnames.com to choose the top 5 winners. Out of this lucky set of 41 winners, we'll be trying to find out who those 5 winners are. We'll be starting with the 5th winner, then we'll go on to the 4th winner, then to the 3rd, then 2nd, and then finally the 1st winner. And as you know, winner number 4 and 5 will win 100 rupees Paytm cash vouchers. Winner number 3 will get rupees 150 cash voucher. Winner number 2 will get rupees 250 cash vouchers, and winner number 1, the lucky winner for the day, will be rupees 500 cash vouchers in Paytm. So that is how we had structured the plan. Maybe you can give a feedback in the next time onwards. We'll be modifying it, but as of now, because this was the structure, we'll be trying to find out who those lucky 5 winners are. So bear with me as we spin the wheel. But before that, let me just show you the email IDs of everybody who has been included over here. All the 41 students who had applied and who have got a score which is greater than 300. So these are the students, these are the learners across India who have submitted their responses to us. These are 41 students. We have taken the email IDs of all of them, and we are putting that in the wheelofnames.com format, and they will be doing the lucky draw winner finding for us. So these are all the 41 entries. You can see over here it's 41 entries. Now we'll be doing the lucky draw, but before that, let me just shuffle the list for you so that it becomes easier. It becomes a democratic kind of participation. The voting and the finding out the winner becomes very democratic process. So let me just shuffle that for you. I've shuffled it once, I'll do that twice, I'll do that thrice. Now we'll try to find out who the winner number 5 is. So I'll just spin the wheel. So the first winner is shubhammende.14@gmail.com. Congratulations, Shubham. You are winner number 5. We'll be removing Shubham from the list now. So we'll be having 40 entries. We'll be fighting for the next winner. We'll be removing him from the list as of now. He is now being removed. Now we'll again shuffle the whole list to find out who is lucky number 4, lucky winner number 4. We have done that twice, and now we are doing it thrice. We have shuffled the entire list, and we'll spin the wheel once again to find out who is winner number 4. So winner number 4 is nirai30@gmail.com. Congratulations, Nirai. Very congratulations, very many congratulations, and hope you like the particular format, and hope you will keep on sharing it, the format of the particular event. Now we'll be removing Nirai30 from this particular list, and then we'll try to find out who winner number 3 is. Now Nirai has been removed. We'll be shuffling it thrice. The entire list is now shuffled thrice, and now we'll be trying to find out who lucky number 3 is, lucky winner number 3 is. Let us just spin the wheel, and the third winner is Brish TIG1999@gmail.com. Congratulations, Brish, or whatever the email ID is. I do not know your actual name. Maybe this was your alias name or some kind of an email ID alone. It's not your name. So whoever this particular person is, congratulations on being winner number 3. We'll be removing this particular person from the list as of now, so that we can find out who winners number 2 and 1 are. We'll be shuffling that list before we start the spinning of the wheel once again. So winner number 2 is what we are trying to find out through this particular spin of wheel. Deepthi Pandit 2529@gmail.com is winner number 2. Congratulations, Deepthi, if that is your name. Congratulations, very many congratulations from Team Wordaholics. We'll be removing this particular name as of now from the list, so that we can find out who winner number 1 is. We'll be shuffling the list once again at wheelsofnames.com. 1, 2, 3 shuffles, and now we'll be trying to spin the wheel once again, so that we can find out who winner number 1 is. And hold your breath till we find out who winner number 1 is. And winner number 1 is sloan5614@gmail.com. Congratulations, Sloan, if that is your name. And it was a very exhilarating experience to interact with all of you. Thank you all for participating, and please do share the contest format and the contest with others. It is my way of probably helping you out with difficult words in the most easy format, so that you can remember them for a lifetime, sound sophisticated, and score more. Also, I would like to tell you, all those winners who have won, all those email IDs which have won the contest, please do contact us. We'll be trying to get in touch with you through your WhatsApp number and through the email IDs. So the next time onwards, then that we do the contest, please do not provide any fake IDs, because that will block us from contacting you and giving you the rightful your winning amount, the Paytm cash vouchers. It was a pleasure interacting with you. It was a pleasure holding this contest, and please do participate, please do share this contest. We'll be sharing the winners on the Facebook page very soon, after we get their photographs and their details, other details which you'll be requiring and which you'll be mailing them, and the funds will be transferred. The cash vouchers will be being transferred to you in the next 3 to 4 days max, depending upon how fast the winners get in touch with us and we get in touch with them. I'll be mailing them immediately. In the next 1 hour, you'll be receiving the mail for this particular video. It's 9:12. We'll be receiving the mail in the next 1 hour, and beyond that, we'll be doing the prize distribution as soon as possible, as soon as you provide your Paytm registered numbers and things like that, those basic intricacies. So it was a pleasure interacting with you. I hope you have liked it. Thank you so much.